Hey everyone, welcome back to the tutorial lab. In today's video, we are going to show you exactly how to print your design directly from Canva. Once the PDF is downloaded, open it up from your computer. From here, hit the print button. Whether it's for personal project, business card or posters, we have got you covered with this simple guide. So let's dive right in. First thing first, let's open Canva. Go to the home page and you will see all your saved designs. For this tutorial, I will be using a custom design I have created. If you are starting from scratch, just choose the right template based on your print project. Canva has plenty of print-ready templates. So whether you are designing a business card or a flyer, there is an option for you. You can choose from a variety of options. Make sure your design is set to the right dimension and resolution for printing. If you are working on a custom design, you can adjust the dimension by selecting the resize option in the top menu or use the preset option like A4 or letter. This is especially important to avoid any awkward cropping during print. Step 2. Adjusting your design to the print quality. Now let's make sure your design is print ready. When creating designs for print, you will want to focus on quality. Canva automatically suggests the best resolution for print. But if you have used any image, ensure they have high resolution. If an image is too low resolution, Canva will give you a warning. If you see a warning, either replace the image with a higher quality or choose an alternative design. For print, clarity is key. Step 3. Download your design. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to download it. Click on download button in the top right corner of the screen. Or you can see share. Click on share. For printing, we recommend choosing the PDF printing option. From share, click on download. Here you will find the file type PDF print. PDF print ensures that your design comes out with high quality. You can also check the box for crop marks and blades if you are printing professionally to ensure that no part of your design gets cut off during printing. Step 4. Printing your design. Step 4. Printing your design. Once the PDF is downloaded, open it. Once the PDF is downloaded, open it up from your computer. From here, hit the print button. If you are using a home printer, make sure your printer setting match your paper size, whether it's A4, letter or custom size paper. If you are using a print shop, all you need to do is send them the file and they will take care of the rest. Double check the settings, especially the paper type. For professional quality prints, I recommend using premium glossy or matte paper, depending on your preference. Now, step 5. Tips for printing success. Before you hit print, here is a few quick tips for the best results. Tip 1. Always use high quality paper for your printers to give it a professional feel. Tip 2. If you are printing from home, it's good idea to print a test page first to check everything looks as expected. And finally, tip 3. Ensure your printer has enough ink and is properly aligned. And there you have it, folks. Now you can exactly know how to print your Canva designs, whether you are printing from home or sending it off to a professional printer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the tutorial lab for more easy to follow guides, and drop a comment if you have any question or need help, I am happy to help you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.